Friends, welcome to Physics Live channel. Today we are going to study Carnot map or K-map. K-map is a graphical representation of a Boolean expression and it is used to simplify Boolean equations. We have K-maps, 2 input K-map, 3 input and 4 input. Like in 2 input, A, B are the inputs, 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 2, 3 represents the decimal value corresponding to the inputs. That is 0, 0, row 0, column 0, 0. Row 0, column 1 means 1. Row 1, column 0 means 2. 1, 1 that is 3. The decimal value corresponding to each column and row that is represented by here. The input that is A, B, C, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 2. 4, 5, 7, 6 are the decimal values corresponding this. 4 input also A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. These are the decimal values corresponding to each row and column. We know that this K-map which is used to simplify the Boolean equation. Here we are done the simplification by grouping. Grouping we have groups that are single group, pair, quad and octet. That is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Let us discuss how to simplify the Boolean equation. Here we know that we have to represent A bar B and AB as 1. Okay. Here the K-map is 2 input K-map. A and B are the inputs. 0, 1, 0, 1 are the possible inputs. We know that A bar B means A bar means 0. A bar 0. B means 1. 0, 1 row column which represents 1. A, B means A, B are 1, 1. That is also 1. The sum of these products will give the output. How we can simplify this? By grouping. We know that there is a group of a pair. So that means in this pair we know that A is changes to 0 to 1 and B is constant here. B is for this one is 1, this one is 1. That means B is the answer for this. We know that A bar B plus AB from Boolean equations, B can be taken outside. A bar plus A is 1, so B is the answer. From K-map also we can find B. We have to go the next problem. From that you can clear these ideas very perfectly. Here the inputs are A, B, C. The K-map notification we know that K-map representation we know that 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. And we know that the outputs are given in these rows. Okay. So we can simplify this output by, we know that there is a quad. Quad means 4 ones and pair means 2 ones. So there is a 1 quad and 2 pairs. Okay. We can make the group as much as larger. Okay. So we get a quad from here and 2 pairs. Here we can one more possibility, that is 1 pair is here, here 1 pair, here 1 pair, here 1 pair. That is more difficult. If there is a chance to large the group, that large group will be acceptable. Okay. So here 1 quad and 2 pairs, in which we know that this pair in which A is constant and B represents the first number of these, C represents the last number of these. So B is also constant, C is changer. So this pair which represents AB, that is the number, A 0 0, that means A bar B bar, so represent A bar B bar. This pair represents A bar B bar. Next we have a quad. In quad we know that in this quad we know that A is changes 0 to 1 and B is also changes 0 to 1. C is constant for this quad. This one 1 1 1. This one also C is 1. This one is also for C 1. So that means for this quad each element represents C is 1. That means C is constant here, that is C is from this quad. And from this pair, what is the boolean? That is, we know that A is constant for this pair elements and B also constant, that is AB as the boolean. From here in the groups we should represent, if the unchangeable quantity is 1 means represent A or B or C. If 0 is unchangeable, that means we represent the complement of the number. Here 0 is unchangeable means A, for A 0 is unchangeable, that is A bar. Okay. Here the output, that is A bar B bar plus C plus AB, that is sum of these products. That is the output here. In grouping we remember that as if there is a possibility to enlarge the group, we should select the large group only. We can minimize the group's number. There is no diagonal grouping, only horizontal and vertical grouping. And here in this question we know that there is a quad. Here also one quad, that is each corner has a 1. That represents one quad. And here one pair. Okay, so we can represent this quad, represent A is changes, B is not changing, B, and C is changes, D is not changing, so BD, this quad BD. And here in quad, that is we represent here B is not changing, B bar is not changing, and here D bar is not changing. So for these 4 ones, this corner 4 ones which represents B bar and D bar is not changing. So answer is B bar D bar. And next for this pair, that is A bar is not changing, that is A bar. And here C D bar is not changing, so A bar C D bar. So the sum of these 3, that is BD plus B bar D bar plus A bar C D bar, is the answer of this. This is an effective method to get a simplified answer. What is from these Carnot map we can simplify the answer. Consider this question, in which in this question we can select the group for many ways. One can simply select, that is this quad, this quad, this quad. But more simplified form, that is this can be represent an octet, because if we wrap this K map we get these 4 ones as here, so that this can be an octet. Here it is a quad. So for octet we know that here only unchangeable or constant is B bar. So B bar represents this octet, and here CD is constant. So CD, B bar plus CD is the answer. If we get a large group, which means a simplified answer. Okay, so we should select first the large group if it possible. Here 3 input K Carnot 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1, in which one pair and one quad. So here we know that A bar is not changing, A bar. Here also B bar is not changing, so A bar B bar. Here for quad A is changing, this quad B is changing, and C only unchangeable, that is C. C plus A bar B bar is the output for the system. So Carnot map, which used to simplify the Boolean expressions, in which we know that if there is a large group, we should select first octet, then quad, then pair, and then single group. Okay, in there may be corner grouping can be possible, and wrapping grouping is possible. That is, there is an edge quad means we can represent that is in an octet, and also we can use overlapping groups, that is we can use this one for this quad and this octet. Okay, for watching.